Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Riviera Redneck Yacht Club in Fort Myers, Florida. Today, we're going to take you on a wild ride through the largest water mud pit in the country, where trucks and cars are stuck together like a great mix of 80s throwbacks and modern monster trucks. Imagine a world where the thrill of racing meets the joy of muddy playtime. And that's exactly what you'll experience at the Riviera Redneck Yacht Club. With its massive water mud pit, this place has everything you need to unleash your inner cowboy and let loose with your friends. The sound of engines revving and the smell of gasoline fueling. The air create an atmosphere that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. As you step into the mud pit, you'll be surrounded by a sea of big trucks and small cars, all pulling and struggling to get out. The sight of these big machines coming together is truly a sight to behold. And it's the experience you don't want to miss. But the excitement doesn't stop there. At the Riviera Redneck Yacht Club, life is about more than just winning. It's about having fun, making memories, and enjoying the company of great friends. So, whether you're a seasoned mudder or a first-timer, come down to the club and join the party. With its large water mud pit, amazing music, and a community of like-minded enthusiasts, the Riviera Redneck Yacht Club is the perfect place to celebrate your love for trucks, cars, and mud. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and come down to the Fort Myers, Florida mud pit next year. We can't wait to see you there. As this old Ford gets stuck with a huge lift four-wheel drive, no match for the clay mud, we hooked it up and pulled it backward, RCUT. Like and subscribe the channel. Let's see if we could pull this guy out.